Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do a sleek ponytail in 3C for a hair texture. So today I'm just going to be detangling my hair. I think I had washed and blow dried, well not blow dried, but I think I washed it and conditioned it. This was so long ago, I'm posting this video very late, so excuse me. So I didn't show you guys the products, but I'm putting in the Mielle Organics curl smoothie, and I actually really like it for moisturizing, but it definitely doesn't define my curls. I wish it did, but it doesn't. So when I put that in, I just detangle my hair, finger comb it, rub it in, get the ends, and then I put some oil over it and I detangle it again with the Denman brush. Then I go in with my Eco Styling Clear Gel. It's a clear one, it's maximum 10 hold, and I just put the small section I'm dealing with in a ponytail, and I do that all over my head. So hopefully you can catch the drift while I keep going in the video, and yeah.
Bend over, let me. Bend over, let me. Oh. Bend over, let me. Bend over, let me. Bend over, let me. Bend over, let me. Oh. Bend over, let me grab you. Grab you. Bend over, let me grab you. Grab you. Let me 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 grab you.
Real Smalls, turn up and
Bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over, let me bend over, let me bend over, let me grab you. Grab you. Grab you. Grab you. Grab you. Grab you. Grab you.
When you do what to do, 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 when you do what to do.
Let me grab you. 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 Bend over. Let me 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 grab you. Bend over. Let me 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 grab you. Bend over. Let me bend over. Let me bend over. Let me bend over. Let me.
So the whole key to really detangling and making sure that your sleek ponytail is very slick is that you always have to brush from the bottoms of your hair, the ends, all the way to the root, and I just keep smoothing it down with the palm of my hand. I don't use the brush yet until like the very end, like the hard bristle brush. I usually use a hard bristle brush first, and then oh, you can tell I'm tired, lol. And then I use the soft bristle brush to go over it and set it.
When you do what to do, when you do what to do, when you do what to do, when you do what to do.
Let me grab you. 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 Bend over. Let me 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 grab you. Bend over. Let me 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 grab you. Bend over. Let me 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 grab you. Grab you. Bend over. Let me grab you. Grab you. Let me 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 grab you.
Real Smalls, turn up and
Bend over. Let me 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 grab you.
When you do what to do, when you do what to do, when you do what to do.
So now we're gonna get ready to add a ponytail. I skipped the clip and y'all see I slayed them baby hairs, the edges, and all. So now I just braided my hair into like one big doobie braid and then I didn't really add the ponytail any special kind of way. It's just gonna be wrapped around the base of my ponytail. So I'm gonna take the end of the weft, circle it around all the way around to the top line, and I think I only used one bundle, and I'm playing with my braid as well. So yeah, I'm gonna set my hair as well while I do this, and yeah. To cover the tracks, I just take some of the hair from the bundle, and then I make sure that I secure it with a bobby pin or a couple of bobby pins, however many I need. So yeah.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on the
Everything will be in the description box below. This is from Klaiyi Hair. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but yeah, I ended up using 2 bundles, and I believe it was a 16-inch first and a 14-second. So yeah.
Bend over, let me bend over, let me grab you. Bend over, let me bend over, let me bend over, let me bend over, let me.
So I just defined my curls, and this is the end result. This outro is really whack, so I have to hit y'all with some of the bomb pictures that I took. And yeah, be sure to follow me on my social media on Instagram at LovelyJLana. You can follow my hairstyling page at Beauty Hair in LA. And I do have a Facebook. I rarely use it, but it's also Beauty Hair in LA for my hairstyling styles. And yeah, hook up an appointment with me, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Bend over, let me grab you. Grab it. Let me grab you. Let me grab you. Let me grab you. Let me grab you. Let me grab you.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on the
Bend over,